Operate your Blaze securely and efficiently by adding new users and assigning the necessary permissions. First, go to the Users menu within Settings. Super Administrator is the highest level administrator and the only one in Blaze. They can use and manage all functions of the client, server, and cloud. It cannot be added or deleted. Click the Add User button. Enter the user's information, such as username, password, and email, then click Next. In the next step, you will assign permissions to the user. You can choose from the default options: Administrator, Operator, Viewer. You can also set custom permissions to fit the user's specific role. The added user will appear in the list. You can easily sort this list by user type, such as your account, local user or cloud user, or by role. Use the search bar to quickly find a user by their username or assigned role. To temporarily disable a user, switch the Enable User toggle button to off. To permanently remove a user from the list, select Delete User at the bottom of the screen.